Hey, good people. Arthur Morris here. Hope all is well. In this video, we're going to look at simplifying a sum or difference of three univariate polynomials. So this is not much different. The first thing that we want to make sure we look for is to see if we have a minus or a negative in front of a set of parentheses and distribute that through the parentheses to the right of that sign. And then we can just combine the like terms. All right, so I see a minus in front of that second polynomial, which tells me that I need to change all of those signs. In order to change the minus to the plus, I need to change all of the signs in the parentheses to the right of it. So let's rewrite this problem. All right, so now that minus is going to change to a plus, and every sign, each of the signs in the parentheses will change to their opposite sign. So that will become a positive x squared minus 3x plus 1. All right, then I had a plus. Okay. So that's it there. Now your job is to combine the like terms. And again, that's up to you whether you want to write those vertically, and I'll do this one vertically, and then the next problem we'll just leave it horizontal. So let's see, like terms, we have negative 9x squared, we have a positive 1x squared, and we have a negative 8x squared. Okay, and then we have a 3x in the first parentheses to the first power, and then the second parentheses we have a negative 3x to the first power, and then in the third parentheses we have a positive 4x. And then the first parentheses for our regular numbers we have a negative 7, second parentheses we have a positive 1, third parentheses we have a negative 6. I think that takes care of all of the terms that we have, so we have to make sure that every term is listed. So if you look, just a quick example, if you look there, you see that we have the negative 9x squared, the positive 3x, and the minus 7. The second line, we have the 1x squared, the negative 3x, and positive 1. So we have to make sure each one of those terms are listed. Now we just want to combine the like terms vertically. So the first column, we have negative 9x squared plus 1x, which is negative 8x squared. And then negative 8 and negative 8 will give us negative 16x squared. All right. Second column, we have 3x minus 3x, which is 0. They cancel each other out. So 0 plus 4x is simply 4x. And then in the third column, we have negative 7 plus 1, which is negative 6. And negative 6 minus 6 more. So we're already in the negatives, and we take away even more. So we go deeper into the negatives at negative 12. It's just like saying that if we spend $6 and we spend 6 more, we spend $12. Let me write that correctly. There we go. All right, so negative 16x squared plus 4x minus 12. So if you don't want to write it vertically, you don't have to write it vertically. I think it just makes it easier to see what you're combining. All right, let's look at one more. And you may want to pause the video and try this problem for yourself. Okay, so the first thing that I notice is that we have a minus in front of this third polynomial, which means those signs will be changed in order to change that subtraction to addition. So that will make that plus, and we'll change all of those signs in the parentheses in that third parentheses. So positive 4u squared minus 8u minus 8. So minus 8 times u minus 8. Alrighty, now we're going to combine the like terms. Right, so we have negative 4u squared, negative 8 times u squared, and positive 4 times u squared. So I see I have a negative 4u squared and a positive 4u squared, which I know will cancel each other out. So now I'm just left with that negative 8u squared. Okay, now I have 2u plus 5u to the first minus 8u to the first. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 minus 8 is negative 1. And the negative, or the 1 is understood to be there. So negative 1u to the first. And then my integers, I have positive 5 minus 3 minus 8. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 8 is negative 6. Alrighty, good people. Hope you found this video to be helpful. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.